Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make skin whitening foaming powder, which will whiten your face within 7 days. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. We need 12 grams of kaolin clay, so I'm going to measure the 12 grams for you to see. And kaolin clay is very good for the skin. It's gentle cleanser for all skin type. It absorbs excess oil without causing any redness, so it's too good for the skin. So you need 3 grams of rice flour, and most of you know that rice flour can whiten the skin. If you use it daily, it can really whiten the skin. That's the easier whitening powder for you to get. Rice flour can help whiten the skin and reduce dark patches. I made this powder myself, but you can get some in the store to buy it. And you also need 3 grams of goat milk powder. If you don't have goat milk powder, you can use cow milk powder, but use the whole milk powder. The lactic acid found in goat milk slowly brightens your complexion by reducing any dark spot. And you need 3 grams of coconut milk powder. And coconut milk powder also contains vitamin C. And you know vitamin C can whiten the skin or brighten the skin, so it's good for the skin. You need 4.5 grams SCI powder, which is a foaming powder. Without this powder, our soap is not going to foam, so this powder is going to help the soap to foam. And this powder is gentle on the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin. It's very good. Most time baby soap, they use this kind of powder to make it. So you need 1.5 grams vitamin B powder, and you know vitamin B powder can whiten or brighten the skin, so that's why I'm using it. But it's changeable. You can choose to use licorice powder or kojic acid powder, but if you are going to use kojic acid powder, you need to blend it very well. You need Allantoin powder, which is very good for the skin. You know, it's very good for the skin. It contains a lot of skin benefit, so that's the reason why I'm using it. Also, we need 1.5 grams of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil too can whiten or lighten the skin, but it can also moisturize. That's why I'm adding it to it, so that we can feel the moisturizing in it. Add all your powders into a mixing bowl. This is so easy to make and simple to make. It's not complicated. So you add all your powders into the mixing bowl and you mix it very well. Most of the ingredients are easy to get from those who sell cosmetic ingredients. Stir until all the ingredients combine. So make sure you stir. Take your time and stir it so that everything combines. I know that the SCI powder, people be asking me where can I buy it. I bought mine from, where did I bought it? From Nature Gardens. Nature Gardens is not in Ghana or in Nigeria, they are in US, so I bought mine from there. You can get that powder from there. Add the sweet almond oil. So if you even in Ghana, you can get this powder, but most of them have changed the name. They normally don't mention the real name for some reason, because I don't know, they thought maybe you search and find where you can buy it from or something. But the powder too, you can get it from even in Nigeria, but just that sometimes they change the name for some reason. I don't understand why. So you keep mixing it, This powder foam very well, and if you use it twice a day, it's going to help whiten your skin. You will see the difference. You just use it twice a day for 7 days. Take picture before picture, and after 7 days take picture. You will see the difference. It really works very well. It's really work. And when you are using it, make sure that you always use spoon to spoon it from the jar. No water in your hand, because it doesn't contain preservative. So store in a clean glass jar or a container. Because it doesn't contain preservatives, always make sure that you don't let water get into the container. and you are going to thank me later for this scribe. It's easy, especially when you are traveling and you don't want any liquid product in your bag. You can just put this cleanser. You can even turn this cleanser into a body wash, and it's going to work for you. The shelf life is 1 year if only you don't add water to the container. You can keep it for 1 year. So how to use this whitening foaming powder on your face? Wet face with lukewarm water, not hot water, lukewarm water. You wet your face with it. Then using fingertip, scoop up a cleanser. Little go a long way and create gentle creamy lather in your palm. So you add a little water to it. So I'm showing it in the video on the back of my hand, so you can see how it's foaming. So you massage it onto your face and you rinse it off, so you can see how it's foamed very well. You can choose to add a little essential oil to it to give you a scent. Thank you for watching this video. I post video every Sunday and Thursday, so please click on the notification bell and subscribe. Bye bye.